Hi, my name's Nathan McMurdo. I'm an advanced skilled lecturer for North Metro TAFE. I work in the culinary arts area and personal services. I've been at North Metro since 2007. The journey has been incredible. I love training people. I love putting a smile on their dial, and the food that we prepare does that. We have state-of-the-art equipment. Our kitchens are beautifully set up, there's lots of space. Everybody has an individual working area, their own fridge, their own oven, their own mixer. So we're well resourced as a technical and further education institution. And for those students who rise to challenges, we expose them to industry players. We have industry events. We've had success with our apprentices going to one of the best restaurants in the world, Madison Avenue in New York. We've got students working at the Fat Duck for Heston Blumenthal in London, the Savoy Hotel and the Ritz Hotel in London. So really, when you've finished the basics here, the world is your oyster. It's up to you, it's up to your drive and your passion, and we've got so many contacts, we can take you to those places.